Have you ever wondered why your stomach makes loud rumbling noises when you are hungry? It's a common phenomenon that can be embarrassing in quiet settings, but it's perfectly normal. The noises you hear are actually caused by the movement of gas and fluid through your digestive system. When your stomach is empty, the walls of your digestive tract can rub together, creating a rumbling sound. These noises are more likely to occur when your stomach is completely empty, such as when you haven't eaten in a while. As you start to eat, the noises will often subside as the movement of food through your digestive system picks up and the walls of your stomach and intestines are no longer rubbing together. So the next time your stomach starts grumble, just remember that it's a sign that your body is ready for some nourishment. And don't worry, everyone's stomach does it.